All right, so Pamela, the reason why I say pump is that sometimes people buy into names and hold it up, right? For me, I feel that MNI, it's up because they're not going to go bankrupt. They're working with creditors, and usually what ends up happening when a stock is up that far, that fast, like 150%, is that they, at one point in time, may put up an offering, which will cause the stock to tank. So I say this respectfully, just for you guys and gals to be, just careful. And it's really important that, you guys and gals don't get yourself into any trouble per se. So RAD is slightly up. NBEV is pretty much at unch with us here. They're dumping CTX here. I'm not surprised. I may just cash.